Soon to be former Minister of Police uSenzo Mchunu nabangani bakhe uKurt Matlala noBrown Mokgothi looted 2 billion rands from a hospital eTembisa. But labantu laba created ama-companies anga-exist. Ama-companies lanka ayi-207. So lama companies lanka ayi-207 anga-exist rendered ama-services nama-goods to ama-hospitals yabo. If the hospital required ama-doctor, beyiya to lama companies lanka. If the hospital required ama-nurses or i-medication, beyithenga from lama companies lanka. Yangithola? And mind you, wonke lama companies lanka ayi-207 awa-exist. So wonke lama services nama-goods i-Department of Health or the hospital eTembisa bewathenga bowangekho wonke lawo ma-goods. Yangithola? But nama-syndicates eMzansi, multiple syndicates in which have been looting from the state yabo. But is the Manamela syndicate, khona the Mazibuko syndicate, but khona the X syndicate. But the X syndicate is the smallest, hence bayibiza nge-X. It's abantu aba-involved are yet to be named, yangithola. But as the smallest, imali abayitshontshile is 76 million. The smallest looting scheme or the smallest looting syndicate, it's at 76 million. Yangithola? Yabo ukuthi that thing is deep, it's deep. Yangithola? But here eMzansi we ran by ama-syndicates. To show nje ukuthi like we ran by ama-syndicates. Even our former minister of police, uNathi Mthethwa, but lo muntu lo, he committed suicide. He recently he passed away yesterday, yabo. But lo muntu lo, he jumped from a 22-story building. Yangithola? Mara umzimba wakhe bawuthole in a hotel. Because how can umuntu mfethu jump from a 22-story building mara still ngamtholi in the street, ngimtholi in a hotel? Like, doesn't make any sense. And even before lo muntu lo allegedly committed suicide, he went missing from ama securities wakhe. Like, kanjani mfethu labantu laba, have you seen ama-convoys walabantu laba? How can you go missing? Labantu laba babhastile.